The only difference between this bucket list and your more traditional bucket list is that this one is for 2023. It's for listing all the adventures, experiences, and activities that you want to tick off in 2023. Consider the following categories: travel, adventure, education, entertainment, contribution, creativity, health, family, and relationships. It doesn't have to be anything big. Not everything on your list needs to be huge, like bungee jumping or skydiving. Just as an example, some of the things I've had on my bucket list in previous years were things like taking swing dance lessons, starting acro yoga, making pots out of clay, and going offline for 24 hours. The bucket list is ultimately space for you to write a fun to-do list for the next 365 days. There are two ways to use the date column. You can use it to write down tentative dates, so dates that you plan on completing those activities, or actual dates of completion. The former gives you a timeline to work towards, and the latter provides a record of your bucket list experiences.